What truly makes a hero? Is it winning every battle or having the courage to fight when defeat seems certain? When the 10-headed demon king Ravana abducted a god's wife, kingdoms trembled and armies fell silent. But one ancient warrior, the mighty king of vultures, Jatayu, stood alone to face the impossible. His story is one of honor, sacrifice, and a battle that changed the course of destiny. But there's a secret about Jatayu's final fight that most don't know. Something that will surprise you. Stay with us until the very end to uncover this hidden truth. If you believe courage like this deserves to be remembered, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps us bring these legends back to life. Jatayu was no ordinary bird. Born of divine blood, the son of Aruna, the charioteer of the sun god, he inherited strength, wisdom, and a heart fiercely loyal. Long before the hero Rama's birth, Jatayu befriended King Dashrath of Ayodhya. When Dashrath's celestial chariot faltered, it was Jatayu who caught him on his vast wings, saving his life. That day, a sacred bond was sealed, a promise Jatayu would honor to his last breath. In youth, Jatayu and his brother Sampati once dared to fly toward the sun. When flames scorched Jatayu, Sampati shielded him, losing his wings in sacrifice. From that day, Jatayu knew the meaning of sacrifice. Now, as an aging king of the skies, his final sacrifice awaited him in the forests of Panchavati. Peace reigned in Panchavati, where Rama, Sita, and Lakshman rested during exile. Jatayu, honoring his oath, watched over Sita. Suddenly, a scream split the forest, a sound torn from the depths of terror. Sita was being carried away by Ravana in his flying chariot. Though old, Jatayu's spirit burned bright. Strength waned, but duty was clear. This was no ordinary abduction. It was a breach of dharma, the sacred path of righteousness. Jatayu soared into the sky, blocking Ravana's path, not with claws, but with courage and conscience. He spoke of dharma, shame, and the ruin that awaits those who steal what is not theirs. Ravana laughed, blinded by pride and power. But Jatayu stood firm, the guardian of the forest, bound by loyalty to his friend Dashrath. His stand whispers an eternal truth. Courage is not strength alone, but the will to face injustice, no matter the cost. Jatayu chose righteousness over fear, even against impossible odds. If you believe these stories of true courage should live on, please subscribe and help us keep them alive. Words failed, and the sky erupted into war. Jatayu attacked with all his might. Some say he shattered Ravana's bow and broke the demonic chariot's mules. For a moment, victory seemed possible, but Ravana, furious, wielded his divine sword Chandrahasa and struck Jatayu's wings. The great bird fell, broken and bleeding, crashing to earth. Rama and Lakshmana returned to an empty home, beginning a desperate search. Soon they found the dying vulture king. Mistaking him for a demon at first, Rama's heart softened when Jatayu, with his last breath, revealed all: the abduction, the fight, and the path southward. This final gift was priceless, the spark that lit Rama's quest. Sad, Rama's grief was profound. I did not feel such pain for Sita's loss as for this vulture's death, he said. In a sacred rite usually reserved for family, Rama performed Jatayu's funeral rites, granting him moksha, liberation from rebirth. Today, Jatayu's legend soars beyond myth. In Kerala, a 200-foot sculpture marks the hill where he fell. His story reminds us, true victory is standing for what's right, no matter the cost. What does Jatayu's sacrifice mean to you? Share your thoughts below. If this story moved you, please like, share, and subscribe for more timeless myths. Thanks for watching.